Pangalawa, kahit na sikat na kanta yun na hindi naman sa'yo, after a decade or so, that song will always be remembered as as the original person's song. Even if pasikatin ko yung,
Second rate copycat ka lang.
kahit pasikatin ko yung Mr. DJ to the max, sabihin natin, super sikat yung Mr. DJ, that song will forever be Sharon Cunetas.
Kasi true mapili ka daw sa mga concerts. sa
Lahat ng
mga
bagay
covers.
mapili ako. I think it gets to a point na I've been in this business 20 years, no?
20 years na
Yeah,
ba?
so siguro there comes a time na wala na dapat yung money trip, wala na dapat yung dapat. It gets to a point na pumili ka ng sarili mo, yung gugustuhin mo talaga. Kasi habang tumatanda ka naman, dapat talaga, you should realize na kung ano man yung piliin mo, dapat yung gusto mo talaga, it's your passion because you love it, because you have this passion for it, something you believe in, not because, ay, pera
For
yan.
the money.
Yes.
As a parting shot, Ariel, sana pagbigyan mo ako. Sana I can sing a few lines from my favorite song of yours, yung Minsan Lang Kitang Ibig.
Okay? Minsan lang kitang iibigin, minsan lang kitang mamahalin. Ang pagmamahal sa'yo'y walang hangganan, dahil lang minsan ay magpakailanman.
Thank you, thank you. Welcome to TV5.
Thank you,
kapatid.
thank you.
Bye.